Enkwa pomode ensemwa nurse for her midwives or Monkabumuko registered nurses and midwives association no dia de shede more den to Ghana aban when him was rather National Cathedral. Yes, actually Ghana aban no nyina dwena kogina so na ma baby aka no asa na dwene ni ho said your my Ghana ye ho kire ye no was rather so na National Cathedral no to Ghana sika ya mfaso nya maso ani manimu ya ebe ya nka wo emfa enkonkon ho se be ya ne mo be ye ama man no atumi agina brand no obi frase na wai
Ghana ban ene adwadifuo kuo ahodo ene ankrankra etoato adwena ahwe kwampa dwumadi akofa ba domestic debt exchange program no ebetimi awie peye wopanyinipa wada Ghana registered nurses and midwife association no maame Premtobre for ampofo e de ato edwase ennam so mompesa Ghana ban de nsa be kon musika semunti womo so akire aban no kwan obefa so a ama Ghana esika sembetimi akonkan no wamfa nsa ankon musika.
We have said suspend huge projects that actually demands that you put a lot of money into it, such as the cathedral project. You need to reduce government expenditure, cut down the government. Look at how you can actually cut down in terms of the deputies, in terms of expenditure and all of that. Look at how we can actually seal the loopholes, revenue generation, where you have tax exemptions for people that are foreign investors into the country. Let them contribute to paying taxes so that we can increase the revenue. The loopholes within the mining sector, let's seal those loopholes. It may sound like medium term to long term, but in the short term, there is still a lot that government can do to actually address these things. And we think the technical people should be innovative in coming up with concepts that will actually address the debt of the country and not necessarily now come and tap into pensions and tap into individual investments and all of that. And that kind of panic, we don't need it at this time.
What is answer when you at to health sector occupational pension scheme? Womubi omonkrabatani bi ewo Kumase. Jamtrani at the board of trustees, Dr. Derek Amwatin, added to just say.
The major challenge today is the effect of the economy, and with the rising inflation, the real return on individual income is actually affected.